Hello, my name is Kelly Hyman, and I'm an attorney at Searcy, Denney, Scarola, Barnhart, and Shipley. I'm here today to discuss with you depositions. A deposition is a pre-trial testimony that is given under oath. During the deposition, the opposing attorney will be asking you questions and you will be answering them. The court reporter will be recording the opposing attorney's questions and also your answers. The purpose of the deposition is for the opposing counsel to find out information that you know about the case. There's a saying that you cannot win your case in a deposition, but you can lose your case in a deposition. If there's something that you are worried about or concerned about that are going to be asked during your deposition, it's important to talk to your attorney before your deposition to discuss this with them so that your attorney is aware of the situation before the deposition occurs. A deposition could also be videotaped as well. So if you are videotaped, it's important to be mindful of that and know that any kind of body movement is going to be recorded. So if you're like this and cutting yourself off, it's going to come across on the videotape. If you're rolling your eyes and doing like this or wailing your hands, that's going to come off on the video camera. So it's really important if you're videotaped to think about that and to be mindful that you're being videotaped and recorded. If an attorney knows of something ahead of time, it's much easier to handle it at the deposition when you're aware of that rather than occurring during the deposition itself. So it's important for you to let the attorney know if there's some issue or some concern that you have or something that's going to worry you about the deposition before the deposition occurs, so the attorney is aware of the situation and can plan accordingly for that issue. The number one would be to always tell the truth. No matter what, tell the truth. You're under oath and you need to tell the truth. Also, the opposing attorney will ask questions which they usually know the answer to already. So it's important for you to answer those questions honestly and truthfully. Number two would be to listen to the question. It's really important that you hear the question asked. If you don't understand the question or did not hear the question, it's okay to ask the court reporter to read back the question or ask the attorney to ask you the question again if you did not hear the question. It's important for you to ask the attorney to read back the question for you or ask the court reporter if you didn't understand the question. You shouldn't guess. If you don't know the answer to the question, I don't know is the answer. Don't ever guess a question, especially if you don't know the answer to it. It's important to remember that the opposing attorney is not your friend. They may ask questions in a very nice way and be polite, but they're not your friends. You can lose your case in a deposition. And so remember, you cannot win your case in a deposition. If you need to take a break, take one. Good luck on your deposition.